Hello my people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video we go do for pidgin English. If you know understand pidgin English, well, I guess it's time for you to learn. If you use ChatGPT, you use Google Translate, so you fit understand wetin I go yarn for this video. So today on food we say we go make a crab salad. Igbo people they call am nseko, Yoruba they call am akon. Well, wetin Hausa they call am I don't know. If you know, I beg, write am for comment section. For this recipe we go need crab meat, we go need English muffin, now bread, they just give a name muffin, and then we go need Old Bay seasoning. I know say Old Bay, but Old Bay, and a seasoning here we're famous for America. And then we go need lemon, parsley, onions, celery, mayonnaise, black pepper, and salt. Oh yeah, make una follow me, make we prepare this. First thing we go do be say this our oyibo bread, we carry knife, we cut them small into two like this. Then we'll come cut them into square, you know, because wetin we dey make here now wetin we dey call finger food for Naija. So we'll cut them like this. We'll come cut them small like this. Put this one for one side. We'll cut this one self. Cut them into square. Put this one self for one side, you know. After we don't cut and finish, we go take ororo, rub am on top like this. Small ororo. Then we go bring plate when we enter inside oven, you know, aluminum plate, iron plate, anything we want call them. Arrange them. Then this one we go put them inside oven, make it toast for about 5 minutes. So my people, time don't reach now when we go make our crab salad. First we go put our mayonnaise inside clean bowl. We go add onions, add celery, put parsley, salt, and then brother pepper. Then we will come mix them. You go do them robo like roundabout. You go add that Old Bay, what I've been telling you before. No be Old Bay, but now Old Bay. See the name. You will come follow them with lemon juice. The last thing when you go put inside, now be the crab meat itself. The crab meat they come for can, so they don't cook them already. We'll come mix everything together. We'll mix them well. Mix them, you know. As it is so, our crab meat done ready. Okay, my people, our toast bread done ready. Now, make we put the crab meat on top. Now the crab meat be this so. So we take them small on top. We'll come find small garnish to put on top. No use ugu, no use ewedu. Garnish then so make you use this one a micro cilantro. Put them on top. Yeah, it don't set now. So yeah, make I zoom in, make you see what we don't cook. Now. It's with you. Okay, my people, I happy say when I watch this video till the end. I beg, make you follow, like, and share. Make I know say una dey enjoy my video, so I feel they bring una more video, better video. When you don't even know say the food dey easy to make, but don't they pay for them things, abi don't they try to find where to buy them things. I go put up a video for here. You go see them how they do them. Thank you. Follow me. I go to show you more things when you go to like. Thank you. So I go feel they bring you more better video when you go to enjoy. Hello.